big lump.
Yeah. See, it was right in the right place. Even if you were having the most garbage day of all time, you're like, oh, everything went wrong, like I lost my job, and I'm married to my boss, so now I've lost my partner, and it's just, and the dog died, just garbage. Once you watch the trailer for the, I was going to say Mr. Briggs.
No, but I mean, along the same lines.
Yeah, Mr. Rogers, once you see the trailer for A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, it's like everything's sunny again.
Yeah, we knew this was coming. They announced the documentary that you probably watched by now on Netflix about the same time that they announced they would be filming a movie loosely based on an article that had been written about Mr. Rogers and how that article came to be, and Tom Hanks was going to play that role. And so we got to see the documentary much, much faster for obvious reasons, and now we're finally getting our first look at this major motion film.
Now, when you were a kid, did you watch Mr. Rogers? Were you a Mr. Rogers household?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Were you?
No,
we
didn't watch, not because like we were in some sort of weird like cult that forbade it.
Yeah.
We didn't watch Mr. Rogers or Mr. Dress Up, either of the Misters.
Okay.
We mostly watched like we watched YTV, like we watched Reboot, we watched all of those shows, Hey Arnold, like
right.
we just...
Well, I wouldn't know.
Sorry, well, you know what I'm saying.
Tony, you're like, well, you don't really need to dust when you live under the gardener, eh? Didn't even look. What is that thing? Yep.
Well, it must have been drug related. I said, no, I don't see that. You know, I'd be shocked. I believe it's.
So I said, well, if they call at 6. 6 o'clock, 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 6 o'
Beat sessions tomorrow at 1. Carly's going to be hanging out here in the Edge studio with Ivory Hours, with music and some good chatter about what it takes to be a rock star, favorite parts of the industry, what some lyrics mean in their songs. If you want to get the details on the Sugar Beat sessions, you can. It's at edge.ca. Also, Get Up Kids are coming up next week, and so are the Darcy.
Motorcycle.
So you can send.
When you spend $400 or more. In-store and online. Certain conditions apply. Lowe's. Never stop improving.
Right now, when you open a
Tools in your toolbox. Then choose the right tools store. Tanks Tools. Apprentices and professionals trust Tanks to tell you a plane isn't something you fly, and a countersign.
Now's a good time to get out there if you need to. That is. And at last check, in-town with Niagara Police were trouble-free as well. No issues to pass along. Keep in mind, coming out of the Mississauga area, westbound 403, Amy Express south of the 401, closed for a crash investigation. Underway, can use the collectors instead. Flying from Toronto Pearson this summer, try airport parking that's actually at the airport.
open a BMO checking account, you'll get $300 cash. $300 cash.
Or is that further on? That's only if I go through the city. It seems to be taking his half right in the middle. Paying attention. Those were optional on this one. Oh, they do have signals. There's gonna be one that pushes it.
In the sixth inning. Maybe the best play we've seen the observation center fielder. And he was doing amazing as he fouls that pitch off 2-1. Having an MRI. And one wonders that piqued the Yankees' interest in Justin Smoke as Teoscar Hernandez fouls that pitch off. Weird day, Cleveland was in on Smoke, but Cleveland just got two sluggers tonight. In the outfield, Freeze and Fernando Reyes in the seventh hour deal. Swinging a foul back. That is full. Apparently, like the last
This is the Edgemere Culture of Meredith. I think this is going to make you feel a little bit better about yourself. There's a player for the Lakers. This is the only sportsy part of this whole thing. Don't worry. His name is Anthony Davis. He's 6'10", and he just admitted the other day, terrible